By the end of today's drawing challenge, we will be able to find the beauty within repetition and develop a deeper understanding of how to have fun with drawing. So grab your drawing tools because this challenge will only make sense if you try it with hands-on practice. I will be using a regular mechanical pencil with 0.5 lead in it. Any drawing tool will work here. Use whatever you have closest to you right now. I also have a cute worksheet that you can grab on the site if you want a box to work within, but any sketchbook or paper will work here. The challenge for this next 10 minutes is that we will only be drawing either boxes or circles. Pick which shape you want. I went with boxes. We're going to keep repeating the shape and overlapping them on our page while paying attention to our inner experience. Our goal is to find joy in this simple task, so let's start drawing. Try to summon the feeling of joy in your body right now. How would your breathing change if you felt joy? Gently nudge your posture towards that of joy while you move your pencil. I think there is a misconception among beginners that the fun within drawing starts once you get better at drawing. But you can experience a tremendous amount of joy from the beginning, and it's something we can practice. It's actually a trained skill, and the reason I know this is because I lost this skill during art school. The external pressure to do well made it hard for me to stay in touch with why I love drawing. Over the past couple of years, I have been retraining my love for drawing, and it's made a huge difference. Not only has it made my drawing experience much better, but it's also helped me improve much faster. This is why I focus so much on the joy of drawing when teaching beginners. It's actually the most important drawing skill. So let's take these next minutes to hone in on that feeling. Focus on the sensation of the pencil against the paper. See if you can become one with that sensation. Pay attention to what your mind is saying. What thoughts are currently coloring your internal experience? Is it stress? Is it happiness? Are you feeling proud that you are taking the time to draw? You are taking the time to draw, which isn't an easy thing to do. How about we take a minute to sink into that feeling? See if you can feel the pride that comes with doing hard things. Now, a judgment might pop into your head. Maybe it's saying that you should have done this long ago, or that you aren't good enough to feel proud of yourself just yet. If that does pop into your mind, ask yourself what an encouraging friend might say to that thought. Try to treat yourself like someone you love, because that is what your friends would want for you. And then let's try to sit with that feeling of pride and joy. Here is a gentle reminder to bring your mind back to the drawing experience. Hold your thoughts lightly so they don't sweep you away from this current moment. You can have anxious and stressful thoughts without clenching onto them. Acknowledge that they exist, give them a light hug, and then let them go so we can return to the drawing. Let's see how deeply we can sink into this current drawing experience. As your drawing is developing on the page, take note of how something this repetitive can create an interesting image. It can be tempting to think that you have to draw complicated things to create beautiful images, but you can actually take something as simple as a box or circle and just repeat them to create something stunning. This can be especially useful on days where you don't feel motivated or inspired. Now you have first-hand experience proving that you can feel joy and have fun with the simplest of doodles. At this point, your mind may have started to wander. Let's gently bring our focus back into our body. Relax your breathing and let go of any unnecessary tension in your body. Take a mental note of where you usually carry your stress. Is it in your neck, shoulders, or back? And let that tension go as we focus back into the feeling of joy. Approach your experience with curiosity for the next couple of minutes. Leave your stress in the waiting room because we only have a couple of minutes left, so it can wait. If you are in the drawing zone, try to go another 10 minutes by replaying this video. You can also check out many more beginner drawing challenges and lessons on the site. And when you feel ready, go check out my drawing courses where we can do tons more drawing together. But no rush, because we have a whole lifetime of drawing ahead of us. Thank you for letting me be your art companion today. See you again soon. Bye.